Hi guys, I'm C2 from uklocksport.co.uk, and this is a video of single pin picking an American series padlock. It's a 5200 and I believe it is a 6 pin. On the back is PGI, or PG1, whatever, PGI, and the date stamp is 1986, which I believe makes this about 31 years of age. So class it as a vintage American lock. Does have a working key, and that's the bitting on the key. I hope you can see that. I've got a couple more bulbs actually blown above me in the kitchen. Key working. Locked up. Tension wrench I'm going to use is a homebrew I made, which is this one. A couple of little sort of filed down bits on either side. Pick I'm going to use is this lovely homebrew pick, made for me a long time ago by kind Dr. Bint Solomon. It is light tension. Start at the back and work to the front. It's temperamental. You can see on the first pin in there that there's serrations on the key pin. So you're probably not going to see that. I'll probably cut this afterwards and show photographs. So very light tension, but I like to add a bounce every now and again, for the simple reason you can get into like a little drop false set with American locks, and they can take a bit of force to move over. Shall we get on? So to the back. It's just backwards and forwards because there's serrated pins in there. Shots over there. Just counter rotation. keep getting a false set and the counter on it but you're unsure if it's picked, so you've got to bounce the wrench, then ease off. And that's it. Open. It's hit and miss. Sometimes it can go quite quickly, and other times it takes its time, like a lot of locks. So that's an American series 5-200 single pin picked. Like I say, I'll gut this and show photographs. So if you are newbies to Locksport, guys, why not come visit us at www.uklocksport.co.uk. Thanks for watching, happy picking, and please keep it legal.